This video is just going to go through another example of limiting reactants. So we're given 1 gram of lithium and we're burning it in a flask with 8.07 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of oxygen. What mass of lithium oxide is produced? So what you should do here is pause the video, try this problem, and then come back for the solution. Alright, hopefully you've had a chance to try this problem. So you should recognize it's a limiting reactants problem because you are given information about both reactants. So we have to figure out which one's limiting first. Let's look at lithium. So we're given grams, we need to find moles. And so we're going to take our mass, which is 1.00 grams, divided by our molar mass of lithium, which is 6.94 grams per mole, and that gives us 0.1440 moles of lithium. Okay, and then we want to use a molar ratio to figure out how many moles of lithium oxide would be produced. So we know 4 moles of lithium gives us 2 moles of lithium oxide. We calculated how many moles of lithium we've got, and we want to find the moles of lithium oxide. So doing this would give us 0.07204 moles of lithium oxide. Next, what we want to do is do the same thing for oxygen. So oxygen, a little bit easier because we're already given the number of moles of oxygen. So we just need to set up our mole ratio to figure out how many moles of lithium oxide would be produced. So 1 mole of oxygen gives us 2 moles of lithium oxide. We know that we've got 8.07 times 10 to the negative 3 moles of oxygen, and we're trying to find the moles of lithium oxide. So if we do this, we get 0.01614 moles of lithium oxide. Comparing the two values we got, the oxygen is our limiting reactant. I'll just put LR for limiting reactant because it produces the smaller number of moles of lithium oxide. So this is the value that we want to use to figure out the mass of lithium oxide produced. Alright, almost done here because the mass is going to be calculated by the number of moles of lithium oxide times its molar mass. We've got 0.01614 moles, and the molar mass of lithium oxide is 29.88 grams per mole. We should have 3 significant digits in our answer, so we get 0.482 grams. So 0.482 grams of lithium oxide is produced in this reaction.